So us girls go through all different kinds of painful methods to try and remove hair. We wax, pluck, like it's not nice, it's painful. So I've got the Hollywood Browzer, which is actually a pain-free way of removing hair. It shapes the brows and it also exfoliates the skin as well because it takes off the dead skin cells. So I'm going to show you how it works. So in the packet you get your little mirror so you can see what you're doing, zooms right in. You get your little microfiber pouch and also your 2 blades, your hair removal and your eyebrow shaper one as well. So I'll talk you through it and show you how it works. So this is what it looks like. Make sure that you use the blade at a 45-degree angle on dry skin. So tone your skin, take any of that oily residue off, make sure it's nice and dry, and then use short strokes. The shorter the strokes, the better. So you'll get more of a better result. And every now and then just keep wiping it off onto the little puffer pad just to remove that so that it stays nice and clean to get the best results.
Oh my God, these feelings just begun. I'm saying things I've never said, doing things I've never done. Oh my God, when I see you I shoot it right. But I'm frozen in motion and my head tells me to stop, feelings I feel about it.
Okay, so I've just done my face and this is everything that's come off it. There's still some on here as well. So it'll just leave your skin nice and smooth. It's really good for makeup application as well. So I'm super happy. I look so glowy and my skin feels so soft as well. So now I'm just going to show you how to do the brows. So when it comes to the brows, make sure you hold them very taut and just using the tip, just make sure you go downwards and it'll just get rid of all those unwanted dead hair and skin and all that's come off. You can't even see it. I'll rub it on here. Look at that. So the hair does not grow back darker or coarser, it just gets rid of that peach fuzz, so that's the only thing that will come back, and then you just use it again. It is completely safe to use. There are guards on either end, so there's no way you can hurt yourself if you follow the instructions and directions properly. But you can use it anywhere that you've got any unwanted hair, so lip, eyebrow, chin. You can even use it on your bikini line as well. The only thing you can't use it is on raised areas such as pimples or moles or scabs, anything like that. So they usually last around 2 to 3 months. Make sure that you take good care of it, clean it properly using the microfiber puff. Don't use soap and water on it, just make sure that each time you keep wiping it off, getting rid of all the excess, and do it throughout the treatment as well. I am super happy with the results. My skin is actually glowing as well. And I just can't wait to apply makeup to see how it sits on my skin.